Hi, this is Net Web with an upcycling tip. The next time you use a disposable lens wipe to clean your eyeglasses or electronics, don't throw it away. Instead, save it to make these cool Shibori artist papers. Use them for gift wrap, cards, books, origami, or whatever. Because they're made to stay strong while wet, they are perfect for Shibori. Shibori is usually done with fabric, but we're going to use lens wipes instead. Here's the process. Start with a stack of dried lens wipes. Iron to make smooth. Accordion fold along one edge. Rotate an accordion fold along the other edge. Secure with a clamp or some rubber band. Soak in water for at least a minute. Transfer to acrylic ink and soak for at least an hour to let it absorb the ink. Let dry overnight. Carefully unfold to reveal the design. Here are some examples. These were all done with a single color. These went through the process a second time with a different color. Thanks for watching and happy creating.